For this no-bake chocolate cake, you want 11 ounces by weight. I know that I had extra chocolate chips, so I weighed them. This was 8 ounces. Love these mini chocolate chips because they melt quicker, so let's go get these melted. All right, every 30 seconds or so, give it a stir to get the heat evenly distributed. All right, we are there. Now I can feel my measuring cup is warm, so I'm just gonna let the rest of the chocolate finish melting there. My cream cheese isn't quite soft enough, so I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for just a couple of seconds. Now you don't wanna melt it, but you do want it a little bit softened, so. Okay, now let's see, there. I think, well, man, there's still a little, let me just soften it just a titch more. There, is that better? Okay, that's much better. Now, normally I would just do it in my bowl, but this one doesn't fit in that microwave. Then our sugar. This recipe is in the description below. All right, and then our butter. Now guys, measurements are on the side of the butter here. A half a stick is a 1/4 cup. I'm just going to lop off a 1/4 cup right there. All right, so I misread the recipe and I needed 1.5 cups of chocolate, and I put 11 ounces because I misread. It was 11 ounces of the cream cheese, but I'm just gonna go just a little shy on the chocolate. All right, then I'm just gonna save that chocolate for later. Okay, stir that. We need 2 cups of whipped topping. Ooh, mine's still just slightly frozen. So there's 1. I don't know how many cups is a thing of whipped topping. 2, so it looks like maybe 3 cups is what it is. Okay, chocolate pie crust right there. If you want to make your own homemade using Oreos, our Dining on a Dime cookbook, just follow the graham cracker pie crust in here and it's exactly the same. The recipe is also on our website, livingonadime.com. The link for the cookbook, 25% off, and the recipe is in the description below. Mr. Chocolate Man, what do you think?
Looks delish.
If you have something like that, just mix it in right there. What's funny is everybody says they want to cook like Grandma. This is how Grandma cooked. As soon as sweetened condensed milk and Cool Whip came out, this is all Grandma used. They need to be saying, if they're talking about cooking from totally scratch, great-great-grandma now.
Yeah, the grandma they're talking about had to get the water out of a pump out in the yard.
Yes. All right, then we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours until it has set up. Ooh, maybe I should try this one next. To make a Oreo pudding pie. Would that be delicious?
Yep.
Okay, now you don't have to get all fancy schmancy, but I got these piping bags here for $1 from a restaurant that was going out of business. So I'm gonna get all fancy schmancy. You can just dollop it on there if you want. Okay, believe me, dolloping just goes much quicker. Well, there, that just added decoration to the top.
That looks great.